Finally, we meet. The thief who stole the other half of my soul gem.
So, you are the one who calls himself Burning Spice Cookie.
My master. Apologies.
You are laughing when your general is injured?
You did quite the number on Nutmeg Tiger Cookie. I'm thoroughly impressed. Yes, excellent. I like my prey to have a little fight in them. So please, entertain me!
Cool down your eyes with this. It's freshly made lassi.
Oh,
We only wish to survive.
they are just like my precious treasures.
Quick! Come here, little one.
But that cookie!
That was too easy. All the waiting I've endured for this?
Your Majesty!
No. This won't do. The bird hunt can't end like this. Where's the thrill? Ruler of a fallen kingdom, the tide of change will swallow you whole. You will crumble and become dust, like all those trinkets you treasured so.
No!